Hello there, YouTubers, business owners, entrepreneurs. Today we'll be chatting about Amazon Web Services. We just got hit by a huge bill, $3,771.25. It's a huge increase. As you can see, previously we were paying $77, $80, $72, $80, $77, and then a whopping $3,000, $71.25. That could happen to you. That could happen to you at any time, and you're not protected against any of this. It's crazy, and guess what? We're not getting that money back. What happened? So somehow my passwords or a hacker, I don't know exactly what happened, but somehow my information for the access to Amazon got leaked out, and somebody was able to gain access to our Amazon Web Services account, in which we have one server that we use to manage our websites, and we moved the websites from that server as soon as we realized that that account was compromised. So we moved it out to a completely different company, way better security. Amazon was supposed to be the best in terms of the security, but I guess they're not. That's another realization that has happened. So we moved out all of our business away from Amazon to another company. Much better security from my perspective that they have, but yeah, that's exactly what happened. Somebody got access to our account, they got into Amazon Web Services, and guess what? They turned on a bunch of services that we don't need. Some of the services I don't even have a clue what they're doing and what they're used for. I don't even remember their names, but there's a bunch of different services that was turned on, and they were taken and accumulating charges. They've been doing that for about half a month to a month time, and I guess some of the services on Amazon are very expensive, and that's what happened. We got $3,000 bill, $3,071.25. So I tried to dispute that charge with Amazon. I actually sent the very first time that we got this charge, my credit card company, Bank of America, they blocked that transaction because it was a suspicious transaction. They flagged it as fraudulent, which indeed it was. Somebody hacked into the account, turned on a bunch of features, and it's a fraudulent charge. Completely agree with them. They blocked it. So I called in to Bank of America. I told them, hey, you know what? Keep blocking that Amazon, because we're not supposed to be billed that amount. I'm working with Amazon to resolve this case. And they said, okay, yeah, definitely that transaction will not go through. We're blocking Amazon, but we're going to turn on your card so you can use it for other purchases. So I confirmed, yes, go ahead, turn on my card so we can use it for other purchases, but keep blocking that Amazon. They agreed. We hang up the phone. The next day, Amazon charges that card. That card goes through. So Bank of America screwed up big time, because they allowed Amazon to, they unlock the card for every single possible charge that can come through, including Amazon. So I've sent a complaint letter to Bank of America because they screwed up. But also I was hopeful that we can resolve this through Amazon. So I've started a case with them in their case portal, and to go over the charges and what happened and on and on. So they launched an investigation, internal investigation, to see what happened with our Amazon Web Services platform. And after their investigation, they determined that there is no fraudulent activity happening. Everything, it seems like I was logging into the account and I was the one turning on the services, which I wasn't. I don't even know what the services are and what they're used for. So I told them that, hey, this is very fraudulent. This is not me doing the stuff. I don't know who did that. So they asked me time and time again to turn on, to write explanation of what happened. So there is a huge correspondence, a lot of communication going back and forth on this case. And I'm going to open it up. If you want to read through it, if something similar happened to you, you can kind of get the gist of what happened by reading through this conversation from the very start, and then it goes through of them trying to basically block all of those services. And again, they didn't block the services for me. I had to do it myself, and hopefully we've done it through chat. Then they also asked me to write explanation of how am I going to prevent that from happening again. I told them that I blocked changed my passwords. We're moving out of Amazon as soon as this thing is resolved, and so on and so forth. But at the end, they said that they're going to send it to another department. That department reviewed the case, told them that it's my problem, it's not their problem. They don't see any fraudulent activity, and the charges are going to stay. This is their final verdict. So I made a statement here that I'm going to be taking this out into the public, making a YouTube video about it. This is what I'm doing right now. But also will be launching litigation with them, because this is completely unacceptable to review the account. There's a huge spike of services that we haven't used. We don't know what they are, and I mean, this is just incredible. Anyhow, if you're into Amazon Web Services, this could happen to you. So make sure that you are aware of stuff like that. And my recommendation is probably to stay away from Amazon Web Services because of situations similar to that. Somebody can get in access to your account. They can turn on a bunch of different features that you don't even know that they exist, and they can be very expensive. Before you know it, you can have charges of $100,000, and they're not going to give that money back. It'll charge your card, and they will keep that money. So then you'll have to go through the lawyer and everything. With other companies that I worked with, Ionos, GoDaddy, situations similar to that, if they would happen, they would refund the money, no problem. Fast and easy. In this case, I've spent numerous amount of hours, countless hours going through correspondence, tons of stress, and it's just not worth it. My recommendation, again, this is my opinion. I guess from a legal standpoint, I'm not recommending anything to you, but I would not go with Amazon Web Services ever again. We're moving everything out of Amazon Web Services, and thank God we haven't moved everything to Amazon Web Services. We do have servers on another platform which are secure. They work really well. The platform is Ionos, and everything runs really well on there. So watch out for stuff like that. It can happen to you. Lightsail is the only service that we're using from Amazon Web Services, because I was thinking that they're fast, reliable, less expensive. Not true. Not true. Their servers are just as good as any other servers out there from any other reputable company. And actually, once you combine all of the charges and fees, the server with Plesk console turns out to be a bit more expensive than in other locations. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's what happened with us. Thanks for watching.